Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening all over the world. And today I will be fixing healthy and savory turmeric-curry rice for you, for me, and for everybody. Here are the ingredients: 2 cups of white rice, 2 cups of homemade chicken broth, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 cup extra virgin coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon saffron, 2 cloves garlic, 1/2 part of big onion, 2 leaves of pandan. Alright, before cooking my turmeric curry rice, I've got to soak the rice for 30 minutes sa chicken broth which I prepared earlier, and adding onto it is our pandan leaves, and soak as well the prepared garlic for like about 30 to 45 minutes as I have mentioned before, dumping everything into our SaladMaster MP5. Now this time I'm gonna be using SaladMaster's MP5 or multi-purpose cooker. This is the most sellable product dahil pwede tayong mag-roast, pwede tayong mag-bake, pwede tayong mag-cook ng rice, and it's multi-purpose. Anything under the heat of the sun, and this MP5, the queen of the kitchen. Our MP5 now is ready, so we preheated it into 450 degrees Fahrenheit in just about 10 minutes. And when it's ready, I've got to turn the probe into, or the plug into rice 2. Okay, here is rice 2 because my rice is measured in 2 cups, so I just have to set it into rice 2. So back to the MP5. Okay, so we've got to saute first our onion. So I have here our 1/2 cup of extra virgin coconut oil. Saute the onion. Just a little sauteing. Luto na siya, medyo transparent na. Our onion is ready now, so I've got to add the curry powder. My way, that's my way. And then we've got, oh, that's turmeric, and then our curry powder and our saffron. So mix them all together. Dump everything into our MP5. Just stir a little bit so to give an even distribution of our liquid and dry ingredients, our rice and our liquid. Make sure to seal it, like turn it like twice. Okay, and then that's it. So antayin na lang natin, automatic off ang rice too, and then ready na tayo for our meal.
Wellness through healthy food preparation prevents us from getting sick. SaladMaster cookware is a healthy cookware. It is made of 316 titanium stainless steel, pure, clean, non-toxic cookware, and it has a limited lifetime warranty.
We have our turmeric curry rice without sweat.